Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix to continue verify payment method. If you are unable to do, you can add a new payment method which will remove all other payments methods. So if you try to add or remove payment methods in your app store, Apple ID, and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on again and you have to reset all of your settings also. And after that, what you have to next is you have to simply go to name or Apple ID here. And here you have to simply look for media and purchases and you have to simply click on view account. And after clicking on view account, you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of interface is available. So in this interface, you have to simply click on manage payments. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply add the payment method, and after that you have to simply provide all the details and you have to verify the payment method. If you are unable to do so, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem you are facing, and after that you can simply contact the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply try to remove the payment method, and after that, after removing the payment method, you can simply add a new payment method which may work for you. And after that, you can simply check your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to again restart your iPhone and try to add the payment method again so that some payment method can work for you. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.